Okay, here's a video of all my buzzbee toy guns, the collection I have of them. First I have the Rogue. I got the Cougar. Oh, back it up a bit. The Cougar. The Jaguar. The Hawk. And I just got a replacement double shot. Because my other one got cocked too far and broke. Then I got the expensive one called the Overlord. With the, I don't know how many shells that is, but there's a lot of them. I got me the Torrent, which is not working very good. And I have the automatic Tommy 20. And the, what does that say? Maniac, I think? Yeah. It's the Maniac. And those are all the guns I own. The moment of the buzzbee. Toys. Trademark. Whatever. Bye!